Yo, hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. You all still remember when I did an unboxing of this trimmer, right? And my thumbnail was I'm disappointed. Well, this trimmer has been modified, but with a catch. Alright. The last time I checked the RPM of this trimmer, it was 5,490. You see that? And now it's 7,000 plus. So let me show you all how I did it, but with a catch. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna try to change the motor of this trimmer because for me it runs really too slow. So I bought a new one. This one got 7,000 RPM with DC 3.0 volt, 2021. So let's see if maybe with this motor it's gonna run faster, and this one is round, this one is not round. So I'm gonna try to modify something so that it will fit on this one. And since this one is not round, then I'm gonna try put this thing on it, here. So let's see how it's gonna be. So now, as you can see, put on this side and also on this side, So I'm gonna solder these two, then I'm good, So it's all good now. So let me now put everything together and see. I'm gonna leave a link on the description below on where I bought the motor. Alright. Okay. The catch is it's fast, yes, but it's also a little bit loud. That's the only drawback with it. It's because I guess the shaft of the motor is not long enough, just a little bit too short, but it's good now. So let me know what you think about this modification, if it's good or not.